In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a general ledger account in Odoo. We'll go through the process from start to finish inside the accounting app, and I'll explain what each field means so you can set up the account correctly and confidently. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to the configuration menu and then select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your existing accounts are listed, and it's also where you create new ones for your accounting structure. When the Chart of Accounts page opens, click New to create a fresh account record. Odoo will then display the account form, where you can enter the details for the new General Ledger account. Start by entering the code for the account. This code is important because it helps organize your chart of accounts and makes reporting much easier. It's best to follow the numbering structure already used in your company so the new account fits neatly into your accounting system. Next, enter the account name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the account is used for. A clear name helps anyone reviewing your books understand the purpose of the account at a glance. After that, select the appropriate type. This is one of the most important settings because it determines how Odoo treats the account in reports and financial statements. Make sure the type matches the account's purpose, whether it relates to assets, liabilities, income, expenses, or another category. If the account should normally use certain taxes, select the default taxes if applicable. This can save time during data entry and helps keep transactions consistent. If taxes are not relevant for this account, you can leave that field empty. You can also add tags if needed. Tags are useful for grouping accounts, improving search, and supporting customized reporting. If transactions in this account need to be matched against payments or other entries, enable payment reconciliation. This is especially helpful for accounts where reconciliation is part of your regular accounting process. Make sure Active remains enabled so the account can actually be used in your system. If this is turned off, the account will exist but won't be available for normal use. If the account belongs under a broader category, select a parent account if applicable. This can help keep your account hierarchy organized. Then, enter a description if needed. This field is optional, but it can be helpful for adding internal notes about the account's purpose or usage. Once everything looks correct, click Save. The new account will now appear in the Chart of Accounts and will be available for accounting entries in Odoo.